Top 5 essential survival skills everyone should know. Think you can survive in the wild? Here are the top 5 survival skills you need to know. Skill number 1, fire starting. Fire isn't just for warmth, it's essential for cooking, water purification, and signaling for help. Learn how to start a fire with a ferro rod, flint and steel, or even a battery and steel wool. Don't get caught without this life-saving skill. Skill number 2, water purification. Clean water is crucial for survival. Boil it, use a portable water filter, or make a DIY filter with charcoal, sand, and gravel. Stay hydrated, stay alive. Skill number 3, knot tying. From building shelters to securing gear, knots are your best friends. Master a few basic knots like the bowline, clove hitch, and square knot. Trust me, they'll save your life one day. Skill number 4, navigation without GPS. Learn to use a compass, read a map, and navigate by the sun and stars. If your phone dies, you'll be glad you mastered this one. Skill number 5, first aid basics. Know how to treat wounds, make a splint, or even perform CPR. Prepare emergency medicines and first aid bags when possible. The faster you act, the better your chances of survival. Like these tips? Follow for more survival skills and be ready for anything. Stay safe, stay smart.